Hi my little Cocoa Puffs, welcome to my channel, Brown Sugar Cocoa. Today I'm going to be transforming this old wig that I made a long time ago, and I'm going to be relaxing it. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the results of me relaxing that today. Here I'm just brushing out all the naps and kinks and everything from this wig. I don't remember what type of hair this wig is, but it is 100% human hair, so that's why I'm going to be able to relax it. And as you can see, it's kind of like a little dusty. I mean, it has a little curl to it, but it's just dusty. It's matted and knotted and everything. But I'm just gonna put it on this mannequin head, and I'm gonna put these pins in it so they can stick to this mannequin head so that I can get started on relaxing it. And I'm gonna brush again because this hair is just so doggone nappy, man. I'm trying to tell you. So I'm gonna put it in little sections each time that I want to get a new part out, to start with the relaxer, because you want to make sure that the relaxer is kind of like get saturated up there completely on all of the strands, so it can relax all of the hair and not just get some and get batches and whatnot, because I want this whole thing to be nice and straight. This is what I'm going to be using on it today, Hawaiian Silky relaxer. It's mild, and you don't have to mix this with anything. It's already mixed and everything, so you just get to it with your brush again, and then get started on the relaxer and apply with this applicator brush right here. Or you can use one of the things that they use in the relaxer. It's like a stick, kind of like a popsicle stick but bigger. You can use that, whatever floats your boat. And I'm just going to put that on the entire strand of this section, front, and I'm going to lift up to do the back. So here I'm finished putting in all of the relaxer, and now I'm just brushing out the hair. I'm just gonna do that around the entire head because this was some matted hair, and then I'm gonna do the soothing process with the comb, just to make sure it gets all the naps and stuff out, because you want this to be nice and straight. Y'all know how to do relaxers. And do it from the roots to the end. Make sure it's nice and smooth, and then I'm gonna smooth with my hand and my fingers as well. From start to finish, this whole process of putting in the relaxer and leaving it in and soothing it, it took about 30 minutes, so don't try to leave it in longer than that. Now you need to rinse all of the relaxer off with water, and after you rinse it all off, you need to go and shampoo it. It's good to use a neutralizing shampoo. I didn't have one, so I just used whatever I had, but that's important. And then you're good. Here is how the hair looked when it was finished getting washed. It looks straight and it looks shiny. It feels like a better texture, not so kinky and rough like it was before. So I'm loving it so far. Now we're getting ready for the blow dry. I'm going to use this smooth blow dry from Garnier Fructis. It's always nice to put in when I have my weaves and stuff. This red bottle it's a serum. I will put the link down in the description because I had it for so long and it's like that the bottle just came off because I don't really flat iron my hair that much, so everything is off of it. But I'll put the link in the description box below to this serum, but it is Proclaim, I believe. And so once I put both of those into my hair, I'm going to brush my hair out all the way, and then I'm going to get started on my blow dry. So when I first start out blow drying, I kind of like to blow dry like my whole head to get it to not be so wet, and so that way that I can like blow dry it better. It can be like a little bit drier when I get to it, like it won't be soaking wet, dripping wet and stuff like that. So I just do like the whole head like a couple times over, and then I'll like blow dry section by section to get that nice and smooth straight blow dry that I like. So here I'm almost done with the blow dry. I did have to like move my wig a couple times so I could really get like the back better and whatnot, so don't be afraid to move the wig. If you need the front to face the back so you can get the back better, do that. Alright, and I'm just doing the finishing touches on this blow dry. As you can see, the hair is like already like flowing better. It's easier to manage just with the blow dry. You can tell that it's nice and sleek and straight. Like, hello blow dry. I don't even really need to flat iron it, but I still will. But that blow dry did wonders to this hair. And I'm just gonna brush it so you guys can see how much easier it is to like brush through and whatnot. But here it is, all the way finished blow drying. Look at how it moves and everything. It's not stiff anymore. Yes, it flows, it moves, and it's more manageable. And now I'm going to put my hair in sections to flat iron. And each time that I flat iron, I'm going to have the comb there. And then I'm going to have the flat iron following after. And this is the Babyliss flat iron. It's the mini one because, yeah, I'm poor. So I got this small one because the regular size one costs too much. But it gets the job done, you know, hello. As you will see at the end of this video. So I just do this piece by piece. Sometimes I did like big chunks and stuff because it was like it really didn't need to be flat ironed. So if you want to do smaller sections, you can. And here the hair is freshly finished flat ironed. It's straight, it is shiny, it moves. My fingers can run through it nice and easy without getting stuck or anything like that. Like, look at it. Yes, relaxer for your wig, old wig. Yes. I'm just gonna put one more thing in my hair, and that's this anti-humidity gloss and shine mist, just to make it shine a little bit more. You only need a little bit of that, so just put a couple sprays. Then I'm gonna comb it a little bit so I can get throughout the entire head, and then I am done. Voila, your girl hair, she did that. I did that. Brown sugar cocoa, get it mama. Like, look, and I don't even have my hair braided or nothing, and this wig looks like magnificent just sitting on top of my hair like this. Now let me show you side view and the back. Yes, look at how it moves. Yes, queen. Yes, brown sugar cocoa. Flip, shake. I want you guys to comment below and let me know how you think I did. Will you try this on one of your old wigs? If so, also send me a link to that. I want to see you guys do this too. And as always, thanks for coming to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye. Come again. Thanks for watching, my little Cocoa Puffs, and like this video if you think I did a good job.